Oris watches epitomize Swiss craftsmanship, innovation, and a commitment to environmental and social responsibility. For over a century, Oris has stood as an independent brand, crafting high-quality timepieces celebrated for their reliability and distinctive design. Renowned for mechanical precision, Oris champions traditional watchmaking while embracing contemporary styles. Notably, the brand emphasizes sustainability, pioneering initiatives for clean oceans and conservation. From aviation-inspired pieces to dive watches, each Oris timepiece mirrors a dedication to quality movements and purposeful design. With a focus on authenticity and heritage, Oris continues to resonate with individuals seeking both exceptional watches and a brand aligned with ethical values. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these watches in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 7. Oris Hölstein Edition 2023. An exceptional timepiece paying homage to its Swiss hometown and the brand's rich heritage. This limited edition watch encapsulates the essence of craftsmanship, featuring a meticulously crafted 42mm stainless steel case that embodies both durability and elegance. The deep blue dial, adorned with applied indices and luminescent hands, radiates sophistication and readability. The Hölstein edition boasts a versatile design suitable for various occasions, enhanced by its brown leather strap that complements the watch's classic aesthetic. Powered by an automatic movement, this timepiece not only exudes timeless style but also ensures precision and reliability. Number 6. Oris Carysfort Reef Limited Edition Watch. As a tribute to the Carysfort Reef, United States' only living coral reef, is a testament to Oris's commitment to ocean conservation. Crafted with a blend of aesthetics and purpose, this timepiece features a stunning gradient blue dial reminiscent of the reef's vibrant colors and incorporates a small seconds sub-dial resembling a marine-inspired design. Limited to a specific number of pieces, the watch's 43.5mm stainless steel case showcases a unidirectional rotating bezel with a ceramic insert, emphasizing both durability and functionality for divers. Powered by an automatic movement, this watch not only delivers precision but also embodies Oris's dedication to environmental initiatives, with a portion of the sales contributing to coral restoration efforts. Number 5. Oris, the ProPilot Altimeter 2023. An extraordinary timepiece catering to aviation enthusiasts and adventurers. This innovative watch seamlessly integrates a mechanical altimeter, a groundbreaking addition allowing wearers to track altitude changes up to 15,000 feet, 4,500 meters above sea level. The ProPilot altimeter features a 47mm stainless steel case with a coin-edge bezel, exuding a robust yet refined aesthetic that echoes its aviation inspiration. Its clear and legible dial, adorned with luminous hands and markers, ensures readability even in challenging conditions. This remarkable timepiece, equipped with an automatic movement, not only offers precise timekeeping but also provides vital altitude information, making it an indispensable tool for pilots, mountaineers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Oris's ProPilot altimeter represents a fusion of precision engineering and practical functionality, embodying the brand's commitment to creating purpose-driven timepieces for those who thrive in adventurous terrains. Number 4. Oris Big Crown Pointer Date 80th Anniversary Men's Watch. An iconic timepiece paying homage to its rich heritage. This men's watch captures the essence of classic design with a modern touch, featuring a 40mm stainless steel case and the distinctive oversized crown that harks back to its original 1938 design. The elegant silver dial showcases the signature red-tipped pointer date hand, a hallmark of this collection, adding a vintage allure to its timeless aesthetics. Encased in sapphire crystal for enhanced durability and scratch resistance, the watch houses an automatic movement, ensuring accuracy and reliability. With a versatile brown leather strap complementing its retro charm, the Oris Big Crown Pointer Date 80th Anniversary Edition stands as a symbol of enduring craftsmanship and a testament to Oris's unwavering commitment to tradition, making it a cherished timepiece for enthusiasts appreciating both history and refinement. Number 3. Oris Aquis Limited Edition Lake Baikal, Russia. The deepest freshwater lake globally, stands as a tribute to both this natural wonder and Oris's dedication to environmental conservation. This distinctive timepiece, identified by the reference number 01733-77304175, embodies the spirit of the Aquis collection with its robust 43.5mm stainless steel case, a unidirectional rotating bezel, and a captivating blue dial reminiscent of the lake's mesmerizing waters. Limited to a specific number of pieces, this watch features a gradient blue dial, symbolic of Baikal's varying depths, and houses an automatic movement known for its accuracy and reliability. Additionally, a portion of the proceeds from the sales of this commemorative watch goes towards supporting organizations dedicated to preserving Lake Baikal, making it not just a remarkable timepiece but also a meaningful contribution to environmental causes. Number 2. Oris Aquis Date Relief Gray Dial Watch stands as a testament to the Aquis collection's blend of functionality and style. This timepiece features a sophisticated 43.5mm stainless steel case, embodying robustness and elegance, while its unidirectional rotating bezel offers practicality for divers with its timing functionality. The striking gray relief dial, adorned with luminous indices and hands, exudes a subtle yet distinctive aesthetic appeal. Equipped with a date complication at 6 o'clock and powered by an automatic movement, this watch ensures precision and convenience in everyday wear. Enhanced by a stainless steel bracelet providing durability and comfort, the Aquis Date Relief Gray Dial watch perfectly encapsulates Oris's commitment to creating versatile timepieces that harmonize functionality with timeless design, appealing to both diving enthusiasts and those seeking a refined timekeeping accessory. Number 1. Oris Payoon Limited Edition 2022, a remarkable timepiece celebrating Thailand's unique cultural heritage and traditions. This exquisite watch pays homage to the annual Thai water festival Songkran, known for its vibrant celebrations and significance as a symbol of new beginnings. Limited to a specific number of pieces, the Payoon edition features a 41.5mm stainless steel case, adorned with intricate engravings inspired by Thai architecture and complemented by a deep blue dial reminiscent of the festival's lively atmosphere. The watch embodies elegance and functionality with its automatic movement and a date complication subtly positioned at 6 o'clock.